Understood. Them girl good girl.
You see this right here? It's the reason why we are where we are today.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I want them to understand. When Gyal good. Kudos to Alkaline. You know how he came here? On a private plane. You know how he went back? On a private plane. Most of you are still traveling in the front seat and the back seat and the side seat of a minibus. Being overloaded. Think, people, think. Wake up.
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People, wagwan, they don't know Media Fox. You see me? Big up everybody. People, Alkaline cause a bugger problem down in Guyana. The impact what the youth have cause, why, I mean, look at that brother here, to me, him some humanitarian thing. Matter about some Guyanese thing on island. Must the people them now do the right thing and a bugger thing, people. But I don't think that brother understand how society set right now. You understand? What you gonna hear, wagwan? I don't know. It come like the Alkaline Gyal good at the anthem song for Guyana right now. You understand? But listen, wagwan.
Understood. Them girl good girl.
You see this right here? It's the reason why we are where we are today. Do you know, if I would have called a conference, if I would have called an outreach to sit and educate my brothers and sisters, and I'm speaking to all of you that's out partying, none of you would have shown up. But let me ask you a real question. How many of you are still waiting for your house lot? How many of you are still suffering to make it through the mud? How many of you own your own car? How many of you even own the mattress that you sleep on? How many of you are still living at home with your mama and your papa?
Brother, when you see people them see them artists, you know, Alkaline roll out, you know. You understand? The people them go want to see them artists. And you have to understand, you know, bro. Imagine a world without partying. Brother, the world would be crazy. People want to go, they go enjoy, relieve their mind, take themselves out of depression, stress. Partying, it good and bad. Because it take a lot of money. It make you drink too much liquor, which not good for yourself. But it good for the people them in a depression and want to relieve themselves, even from them job and certain little situation. You understand? So when you see the people in my party, brother, make them enjoy themselves. Even the same people in you talk about your car and bed and raw, what them have left? Party. You better them enjoy themselves and take that off of their mind. You understand? So when you see them a party, brother, and everybody can save. You see me? Boy, you know people, Alkaline Gyal good at cause problem in Guyana, may I tell you.
How many of you own anything? And I'm going to ask this question. This is the tough question because good leadership requires you to ask a tough question. Have you guys noticed that 95% of the people that was at that show last night was young Afro-Guyanese? The promoters of this country, aren't you realizing you're destroying the minds of our Guyanese people? You're destroying the minds by making them believe they can continue to live in poverty. They can continue to, it's okay to live at home with your mom and pops. It's okay to not have a window. I mean, a pot to piss in, no a window to...
Yo, people, the brother, you don't understand what I'm going. Bro, do you know, say, events that keep in a country is very important? You realize, say, that boosts the tourism. The same people them were outside at the event are the same Guyanese people them. Them have family, jerk chicken, or whatsoever them a cook outside, people put up them tent. The foreigners we are coming at the country for go these same events. I eat a put the food in the family them pocket. You understand? So if you feel like say yes, poor people are go there so them come to see them artists. But you have rich people, you are going like say a poor people, and a poor people alone party. Rich people party too. You understand? This now for do nothing like and not everybody in a party. A whole of them poor. You have people who just live a normal life. You see me? People just fall, people just love enjoy them life with music and every little thing. At first, yo, I not lie still. Boy, the way your Alkaline impactful. I tell you, at first I see this. I never see somebody yet forward out and use an event where put so much money in a poor people pocket. You understand? Because at the end of the day, the vendors them out there outside of the event, they might make money. You understand? The people them who set up the show and who are go clean up after, it make them have job so them can make money and feed them family. You know much people, you know much poor people that event they put money in them pocket for feed them people. Eh? Boy, you know people, may I tell you. At first event, I see somebody forward out and I make like it look like say, yo, this is a bad thing. You see me? This way I provide for the same poor people we matter about. Brother, poor people that we are clean and all of them little thing there. You see me? People outside we are sell, the vendors them. It a put money in them pocket because people forward out. I support. People we are flying for the show. Them a carry money in the country. You see me? And then the money they buy ticket. Promoter get money and then the same money they have to go pay about the people who are work for the show. You understand? Yeah, man.
Proud out of because most of our young people in this country, they have nothing. They want something. And instead of us using our the platforms we have, the opportunity to bring these people out, none of it is to educate our people. And that is what the problem is in this country. We use every opportunity we have. Well, you know what? I understand the frustration in many of you. So maybe you just want to go blow some steam out. But at the same time, why can't we come together the way we came together last night and the night before? Do you understand? It hurts.
Yo, people. You know why I feel so hurt? I tell you why. At the impactful moment of Alkaline. The man say, yo, everybody, it come like a whole Guyana forward out to see Alkaline. At that, you know. And he's a brother where gather people and, you know, I think him have something named VPAC. You see me? One table for all. So basically, I guess, him want to teach some people how to, you see me? Certain little things. But if you realize right now, him feel like we say, yo, Alkaline did it and so much people staying at the rain and people forward out and I sing the Gyal good time, see all of the video them on TikTok and everything. And I say, yo, John, how them people are forward out for see and me want them listen to me and learn how to do this and learn how to do that. Brother, let me tell you this. If everybody rich in this world, it doom. First of all, and not everybody can get rich. You understand? It's a certain percentage. In the world right now, you have to have the highest percentage of poor people in the world. So you have certain percentage of people who are going to have money and rich. If everybody rich, and everybody can rich because poor people make rich people rich. You understand? I saw the world set me, G. You see me? I saw it go. So nobody feel like say everybody. Yep, some people have money, some people are go poor. I saw it go. Rich and poor. You see me? The poor make the rich rich. You see me? The rich can't do without the poor. You see me? So I just saw the thing set me, G. You see it? So the frustration and all of this. Come on, man. Better than this, man. You see it? Because at the end of the day, people might enjoy themselves. You see me?
Me to sit there and watch so many of you with an umbrella waiting to hear one song. I want them to understand. When you're good, what good are you? Good what? Good suffering? That's the only thing you are? You good what? Good suffering. You are all out here suffering as a people. Do you know if the opportunity would have presented itself?
So you say the people them suffering and you don't want the people them go see Alkaline for relief and take them mind off of the suffering? What you want them go do? Rob and thief and what? And maybe take them own life rather than going to, which one you prefer? You prefer them go to Alkaline show and watch Alkaline and enjoy themselves than you want them stay home or rob somebody or go, what you want them do? You understand? As me say, everybody are rich, brother. You see it? And everybody are educated. In the world right now, you have to have kind of have a balance. You see me? Some over here, so some over there. So I saw you go, everybody choose what them want. You have people who choose to us, yo, I me this, you know. My destiny this. It's by choice. You see me? You can't tell people so how to get rich and them no must get it, you know. Then maybe I'll try and just say, yo, can't bother with this and give up and that's it. You see me?
Could buy some shares in Exxon, and I would have said to the guy and these people, let us pool the money we spent last night and own a piece of our oil. 80% of you would have probably said no. But the real question that I'm going to ask you, how many of you that are out there are still waiting on a piece of land? How many of you on the pillow that you put your head on when you went home last night, how many of you can make it through the month without parting your watch or your ring this month? But you are out, and you're accepting what I would call this bullshit as a system. And again, the promoters of this country, I'm not stopping you from promoting, but do you only use your platform to keep our people in poverty? The same way you can promote, because that's what you're good at. You can't put something good on the radio station. You can't put something good on the sound system. You couldn't listen to people. And I'm so grateful for all of you here today. But guess what I've been working on? I've been working with the government to make sure that each and every one of you can own a piece of land tomorrow. Because the land in this country is free. It doesn't cost the government anything. What does it cost the government? Zero. $280 billion was spent. Let me make sure each and every one of you that showed up here tonight pull a ticket so you can get your land that you've been waiting on. Which one of you? Which one of the promoters?
Brother, boy, man, I tell you. I don't know what you want, you know. But if you have your money, just buy land, give people them. You see me? You are tell the government to give the people them land. Where the people them are get money from? You understand? You are tell the promoter will keep event if end up keep a conference. And that I make the money. The same promoter put food, I put money in a people pocket, the workers them, the vendors them. The promoter help the society. It a take people out of stress. It a take people out of depression. It a put money in a people pocket so them can feed them family. You understand? Some don't know what the difference with the event. I just music. People have to enjoy themselves, else them go put themselves in a depression and crash out. You understand? People want party, enjoy themselves, come out in them nice, clean clothes, everything. You understand? You gotta have some people. I know say I know maybe everybody go. We live in Guyana. You have people who say your business. That's how it go, brother. Because you can't use one moment for try to adjust in the humanitarian thing for the people them. Botheration keeper. Every year, or one time a year botheration keep. And true, yo, Jano people, yo, me I tell you, Alkaline, powerful in a dog. For the crowd where the youth draw out. Trust me. You see what it costs? You see what it costs, people? Jano.
You know, they reached out to the police, give us protection. Reach out to the Ministry of Tourism. Let's have this show. They're gonna brag. You know how many people came in the country? Do you know all those people that came here are 80 and 99% Guyanese? Why they don't want to come and stay? Why they going back and doing whatever work they're doing in a foreign land? Why they don't want to come back to their own country? How can we be bragging that we brought so many people came home? You're gonna hear it, but I'm gonna preempt them. We're gonna be hearing that so many people came home to celebrate. Do you realize the people that's coming home, as you yourself will be saying, are Guyanese? Why are they leaving? Why do they have to come to their own country just to celebrate Carnival and to show off they got better brand? You know how? Because they have to go to another man's land to earn that. Why they can't come back to their own country and do that? Why? Why are we pushing our own people out? But we have ourselves to hold accountable. We have ourselves look at ourselves in the mirror and hold ourselves to blame. Because
brother, but that are the norm, G. If people are leave the country for go get better for them family. I saw it go, G. I saw every country run. You see people go in a foreign country where them see themselves can make more money and carry out the country and feed them family. So if them poor and one people out of the family go foreign and make it, them a feed the people them where they in the Guyana space. You understand? I feed them, you know. You see it? So anyway you take it, it's still a contribute. You see, them forward, at least, them a go overseas, work the money, forward in a Guyana, and that same money where them a spend for event, or them a do Airbnb, or whatever them a do, it a feed back the country. It a make poor people get things in them hand. You understand where you want? Everybody just pack up in the country. So, remember this, you know, you live in your parents' house, and when you're 18, and you start making money and every little thing, you want your privacy. Or you have to go move out. That's how it go. You see me? People are going when them want to grow and get better in their life, and it seems like how you plant a tree. You start a tree, a small little tree, seeing in a one little pot. And while it grow, you go change it, put in a one bigger pot. I just life that. Every growth is a changes. You see me?
no one forced you out there. It was a rain. Do you know it was a normal day? It was a normal event. All of you would have said, I can't come, it's raining. Do you know that I could call one of those events and each and every one of you will learn when you leave there how to start your own business and how to be successful? I can guarantee you that. I can teach each and every one of you how to go ahead and own your own home and turn it into a business. I can teach you. But will you show up? You know why? I don't know if to sing. I want them to understand. When Gyal good, Gyal good. Kudos to Alkaline. You know how he came here? On a private plane. You know how he went back? On a private plane. Most of you are still traveling in the front seat and the back seat and the side seat of a minibus. Being overloaded. Think, people think, wake up. This man.
Pumba, dog. Bro, Bro. Man say Alkaline fought on a private jet and leave on a private jet. Brother. Yo, man, I tell the people, but do what Alka do. Yo, do what Alka do. Alka just start doing job and get the hell out of here to but I look where it cause. Jaja. You see when you powerful, you just powerful, dog. Man, I'll sing out the girl good song. It's like him know say your Guyanese can't wait for sing that song there, dog. Yo, you can see that song there run down there, no people. You see what song do the man? The man have crash out because I sang and the people them got event. Yo, dog, me I tell the people. But brother, I saw it go. You see me, I saw it go. The people them forward for see Alkaline enjoy themselves and them go home. All of them be stressed out or whatsoever. Them feel good in themselves. You see me? I just saw a thing go, brother. You say yo, you go teach. You can teach how people for get house and brother. You might teach. Right now you have school. You know how much teacher teach pitney. And when you check it, them still not learn. Not because you teach somebody means say yo, it a go happen, you know. You understand? If you're in a class and you teach 40 people pitney, you teach them how to really get house and all of them thing there. No mean say all 40. I go like work out the way how you want them to go, you know. It's a certain percentage. Maybe at 10 out of the 40 I go reach that level. I saw it go. You see me? But at the end of the day, you can't mix people that enjoy themselves with business and doing this and doing that, brother. Because at the end of the day, say you teach 1,000 people out of the crowd and the 1,000 get rich. Brother, it not stop them from seeing the artist, you know. A party that rich people party, you go and like say a poor people alone party. You understand? People have money, mid, rich, poor, I saw it go a mixture. So if you teach 1,000, not because you teach 1,000 people to get rich, means to them now go party. You understand?
He came on a private plane, people. Him and his crew. Left with a big bag of money. And you tomorrow morning is gonna be in the backseat of a minibus. Stinky sweaty. Because they got no AC.
People, I wonder, wait, him see Alkaline with bag of money? Man, dog, like, man say Alka guy with a bag of money to bombard, dog. Yo, me don't know, brother. Alka change up his scenery at Guyana, dog. At first, me ever see somebody forward out and because I sang and an artist is like, yo, the impact what the youth set over there is like, yo, you make that brother here crash out, dog. Me I tell you. In a man I say, yo, I wish me they have that power they like Alkaline to draw out them people have to teach them business and this and that, you know. And you know why worst thing, people? Him good as all want teach them people, you know, but tell me what. You feel like him a go want do it free? In people? You feel like say him a go want do it free? If him a go teach them? Jaja.
And you feel good about yourself? Is that what we are promoting as a people? Listen, leadership is not just about voting and running a country. Leadership is educating your people and bringing them along with you. So while I know many of you might be mad, I'm going to take that risk because I want better for all of you. I'm going to take that risk because I want to see you doing better. I'm going to take that. I'm going to carry that. Cuss me out in the comments if you want to. But understand that the reality is all of you are still suffering. And if all of you that was at that show last night show up at the Copy Square tomorrow, if I call it a protest and tell the government of the day, if I call on you and say, come out here and stand with me, let us demand a fair share of our oil well, I'm going to sit there and say, they ain't coming by. So is this what I have to do? Raise enough money to have Alkaline come or a cartel come? But where are the leaders of this country? Why weren't you on that stage using that opportunity to educate our people?
But you're not smart. You just said something a while ago. If you want the people them forward out, use an influencer, use somebody to make them forward out. Set up a program with an artist or something then. If you want to help the people them. You understand? Set up a program, get the artist to come sit down with the people them and reason. And you can put your 2 cents then. Rather than beat the situation with the event and the artist and the party, which help the people. The event and the show we keep help poor people over Guyana as well. You understand? Who work at the show, the vendor them outside, it help and put food pan pot for the families them. Whosoever the vendor them are. You understand?
Our young people are lost. 19 years old, I had my first property in the US. At 21, I already had 4. Each one of them was worth over $100,000 more than I paid. This is 20 something years ago. Do you understand? Because the system encourages you to do better. And I'm going to say it again. Many of you don't have a pot to piss in like a pea pot. No window to throw it out, which means you don't own the house nor the bedroom you're staying in. You're staying with your mom and pop still, 30, 40 years old, but you had on Gucci and Prada partying last night. Your kids probably waking up this morning, you only got bread, not even butter to put on it. That is the reality. But again, I understand. Go blood some stress. But wake up, people. Wake up. Our own country is being sold out in front of our face. Exxon is leaving every day 1 million barrels of oil. That is what we're giving up. All of the gold, 20, 30, 40 years ago, we were giving away our natural resource. You know why? We were begging people to come because we poor. We're still giving it away. And the teachers still making pennies. The teachers are still making pennies. We're still importing cars from Japan. When are y'all gonna wake up? It's y'all have the power to change this. But instead of that, you're using your power I got a ban for each event. You don't think everybody wants to party. But your priority must be in order. Your priority must be in order. How you gonna go out to a party and spend what y'all spent there last night knowing you have nothing? But again, that is the system we're left to live in, people.
But yo, I don't know what that brother want, you know. I don't know what kind of agenda he ma plan. Cause basically he say him want the people him to follow him go protest. You see him, the so-called him say poor people him. You understand? Like, brother, you want the people them to go, they go protest, but you know the government thinks they already. Yeah, those protests, talk, what that I go do? What that I go do, brother? The people them are just out there hungry, what that I go do? You see me? At the end of the day now, this is an event. This is a night event, you know, brother. It's not even 12 hours. This I maybe like, it don't pass 10 hours, my G. So the people them have one little time. You see the people them have one little time in the night to enjoy themselves. I see them favorite artists. And yeah, make this be a problem when I bring it in a government agenda. Jano, youth. Jano.
And I beg of you, I plead of you, open your eyes, people. Use your voice. Use the opportunity to show up when it matters. Use that opportunity. Come out in your numbers when it matters. Oh, I'm begging of
people. The money has some what you call it, humanitarian thing, and like it's like him go around and ask people, you know, how the country and certain little things and way. So the man just grieve, say, Alkaline pull out so much people and him try get so much people for work with FEMA agenda and him couldn't and him not do it. Jano.
you people. It hurts me. You know why? Because I was once there. I was once homeless, people, and I became a billionaire in this country until I was stripped. Not because I started partying, not because I started smoking drugs, not because I'm a bad businessman, because people didn't want me to be successful.
I don't understand this. So, brother, you will be a billionaire in a Guyanese, and you get stripped. People don't want you have money or what's. Why? I don't know, you know. I don't know, brother. Something right there, so. I don't know how come you be a billionaire and end up get stripped. I don't know what kind of choice you make or what. Something right about that. You see me, cause a man will turn billionaire. I not see the richest set of man them forward out and they on internet and cuss people say, yo, do this and do that and all of them little thing there. You understand? Yeah, them forward out and say one and few, but I don't know, brother. I can't believe say an Alkaline show could have caused all of this, dog. I tell you, look how much show keep a Guyana. But that one, yeah, I don't know. Jano, big up your vendetta, boss. Yo, the girl good song, they have big hit song, you know, people. I tell you, you know, big hit song this, you know. You so powerful that song is. Eh? Look what girl good at do. Jano.
You too can be that. You too. We were all born with genius level talent, people. All of us. Whether you're going to be a good barber, whether you're going to be a good tailor, God bless us all uniquely, people. Tap into that talent. Tap into yours. Use it. Don't feel, I can't read a light or I can't spell as well. You know what? With all that I'm telling you now, I don't know how to fix my own car. I don't know how to cut my own grass. I don't know how to wash my car. Everyone has a space. I don't know how to defend myself in court. Everyone has a purpose on this planet, man. The Bible said even the hair on our head are numbered. You got a talent, use it. Don't allow others to use it for you, man. I hope I didn't stress you out with this video today, but I'm hurt waking up seeing.
Brother, to be honest, you know, are you alone and stressed, you know? Are you alone and stressed, dog? Both stress with video. Are you alone and run up your pressure, my G? You understand? Some people might say, oh, Jano, you know, say this song real. Some people might say, yo, brother, I enjoy myself, you know. I don't know, I just a few hours, you know, dog. So I don't know. Some people say, sure, I just one of them thing there. You see, I just say go, brother, and everybody I go rich, bro. You understand? Yeah. But yeah, people life can get like a better, but I don't know, yeah, fall out and stress out, so Jaja. Alka, Chano dog. I guess we'll give Guyana a break, I don't know if that money can hold out,
That all of the highlights on Facebook is poor black people celebrating when they should be out there demanding. But I still love all of you.
People, big up yourself, you don't know one media facts pan up, Yeah, man, Jano. But I wish him well. You see me, I hope him get the people who will listen to him and, who him can get for make them get money in them pocket and rich and thing. But as I say, it's just a party. The people them get a few hours to enjoy themselves for them artists. It's not a big deal, brother. You see me, I say it go. People are go party, rich, middle class, poor people. They the same place a party, me G. You understand? I say it go. So, I don't really know, but I just feel like, say, him just grieve, say, so much people stand up in a rain for say Alkaline and him can't get no people for stand up out of the square where my protest without no rain at all. You see me? For him agenda. I guess him a some, some person where in the country I try. You know them type of people. I try to do better and thing. But as me say, what him do him can do big up himself. You see me? Yeah, but people big up yourself, you don't know one media fact pan here. That is it.